welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Dar of Dar Tech and Reviews and Vlogs. Okay, so today I'm gonna be discussing or testing the RGB features of Redragon Kumara. So ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng RGB modes na magagawa nitong keyboard na to. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, so we got function and then the arrow keys. So down muna tayo, mawawala yung brightness nya. And then for up, yan, up down, up down. Okay, now nandito yung mga modes nya, RGB modes nya, sa insert, sa home, page up, delete, and then page down. Unahin natin yung insert. So press FN, insert once. So RGB yung nakikita natin. RGB ulit pero no other effects, just RGB. Ito is, I think, solid color. FN, left and right. No, it's color cycle pala. Ito naka-breathing naman. So pwede natin palitan yung kulay kung gusto natin ng iba habang nagbe-breathing siya. So right arrow lang yan. Yan. Now let's go to home. FN then home. Ito yung effect nito whenever you press the key. So let's try this. See that? Now I believe you can also change the color of this by pressing FN and then right arrow. Ayan. So kung gusto nyo naman yellow, yan. Galing, diba? Isa pa, home ulit, FN then home. Ito, single key lang yung effect nya. Nakikita nyo naman, diba? So ayan. Palitan natin ng color. Pwede rin green. Ayos, diba? Yun. Another one sa home. Horizontal naman yung effect nya. I'm not sure kung pwede itong vertical eh. Try nga natin. Wala. Hindi talaga pwedeng vertical. So walang vertical. Isa pa, FN home. Ito yung kanina. So yun na yung all modes for the home. And then FN page up. Yan yung effect na. Okay. You can also change the color once again. FN right. Yan, white. And by the way, I forgot. You can also change the speed of the effect by pressing FN and then plus or minus. Let's try it. Let's slow it down. You see that? It's slow now. And then press nyo lang po yung up ay yung plus ulit. Yan, sobrang bilis naman. So nasa page up tayo, diba? Pwedeng palitan ng color, pwedeng RGB. Napakaganda. Yun. And then page up ulit tayo. Yan naman yung effect nya. Ganda rin. So nasa full speed tayo kung makikita nyo, ha? Sobrang bilis ng effect. Palitan natin ng color. I'm not sure kung pwede itong RGB kasi parang mas maganda kung RGB. Tapos itong effect. Ayan, RGB nga. Pwede. Sorry, maingay yung mga dogs. Yun. So, isa pa ulit tayo. FN and then page up. That's the next effect. Palitan natin ng color. So, yan ulit. Ang ganda. Parang rain yata ang tawag dito. Not sure. Ang ganda, diba? Tingnan natin kung meron pang sa page up. FN, page up. Wala na. Okay. So, let's go to FN delete. Ayan. parang flashing siya, no? So, kung ganyan, pwede nyo bawasan ng speed. Lahat ng modes, pwede nyo bawasan ng speed, yung mga may effect. Pagka natin color. That looks better. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ilaw or yung effect ay papunta sa right. I believe pwede nyo siyang papunta sa kaliwa naman. Try natin. FN, then left arrow key. There you go. Diba? Papunta naman sa kaliwa yung effect niya. Galing. Okay. Galit ulit tayo. Yun naman. It's color cycle, pero parang wave effect, and every wave nagpapalit yung kulay. Pwede rin siya papunta sa kanan. Ganon din, katulad nung kanina. And iba yung color natin. Palitan natin ng way. Yan, sa right naman. Okay. Now, let's go to delete one more time. Yun naman, panibago. Palitan natin ng RGB para mas makita nyo yung effect niya. Yan. Parang nagfa-flash yung every letter niya. Every key. With a little wave in it. Okay. So, yun na yung kanina. Wala na. Go to end naman tayo. FN end. So, that's it. That's RGB. Ito, hindi na siya napapalitan ng color. Basta RGB lang siya. Nagblink lahat. And then, FN end ulit. Yan naman yung effect. I think yung end niya is all about RGB, no? Hindi. Kasi pwede rin palitan to eh, oh. FN end. Ito, from top to bottom naman yung wave. Tignan natin kung pwedeng pataas naman. FN left arrow. Pwede nga. Ayan. Ganda, diba? And then the next mode is FN page down. Yan. Papalitan din siya ng color. Page down ulit. Solid color naman. So, yung mga ayaw nung masyadong ma-effect dyan. So, nasa page down yung gusto nyo. And hanapin nyo lang yung color na gusto nyo. Okay. FN page down ulit. RGB na papunta sa loob yung effect. FN left arrow. Palabas naman siya. Yan na yata yung last effect. Okay. So, one last thing. If you would like to reset your keyboard, let's say, nagma-malfunction siya, all you have to do is press FN and print screen. Okay? Try natin. FN, print screen. Yan. Ibig sabihin, na-reset na siya. And by default, yun yung lalabas sa inyo. Yan, RGB. Yan yung default setup niya. Alright. Now, there's one more thing. Yung personalized setup niya, ituturo ko rin sa inyo. What you have to do is hold FN and then press this. I think this is backslash. Ito. Yan, katabi ng number 1. So, yan. Yan yung personal settings. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is press FN and then arrow right. I'm sorry. FN and then this ulit. Makikita nyo yung dito, nagbe-blink siya, diba? Press nyo ulit. Tapos, isa pa. Yan, pwede nyong palitan ng color. Nakaset siya sa yellow. So, lahat ng pindutin ko, magiging yellow. Ngayon, kung may kulay kayong gusto, for example, red, ang kailangan nyong gawin habang nagbe-blink to is hold FN and then arrow to the right. Now, pansin nyo tong ilaw na to, magbabago siya. all you have to do is look for the red one. Yan, red na siya. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung color na masaset sa keyboard nyo. For example, dito, yan. Gusto nyo lahat ng numbers nyo ay red, yan yun. And yung mga gaming buttons nyo, red. Ayan. Pindutin ulit natin tong space para maging red. Yun. Okay? So, pwedeng lahat yan red. Depende sa inyo. And then, yung baba, space, palitan natin ng color. For example, yellow siya. Yung the rest of the keys, yellow. Pwede yan. Yan. So, ang mangyayari is yung gaming keys lang yung highlighted. And lastly, kung gusto nyo ng ibang color yung mga functions, sabihin natin blue yung gusto nyo sa lahat ng nasa taas. Yun. Okay. Ang ganda nitong keyboard na to. By the way guys, baka gusto nyong or nagtataka kayo bakit iba yung tsura ng keyboard ko sa Kumara mismo. Pinalitan ko na kasi yung keys niya. This is the TECWARE Pudding Keys. Meron po tayong review niyan sa channel natin. Pakihanap lang po. Alright? Okay. So, I think that's all about it, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nakatulong ako sa mga gustong bumili nitong keyboard na to. Alright? And if you would like to, if you want more reviews like this, okay guys, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe po sa atin. And kung bago ka lang po sa channel na to, please consider subscribing. And also, if you would like me to review more items just like this video, like nyo lang po itong video na to. And also, you can comment your request down below. Okay? Maraming salamat po, and this is Dark Tech Reviews. Bye-bye!